Okay, so we're looking at this one. This one is Zoe can wash a car in 60 minutes, okay? So Zoe equals 60 minutes, okay? And Brooklyn can wash the car, the same car, in 45 minutes, okay? So she can wash the car in 45 minutes. But how long would it take for them to wash that same car, okay, if they worked together? All right. So this is going to be a little bit similar to the question that you did about Brian and John. Okay, if you've done that one already. So have a go. Try to use some of the same strategies in order to get this one out. See how you go.
Okay guys, so for this problem what we're trying to actually do is work out how long it would take Zoe and Brooke to wash a car if they work together. So the information that we've been given is that it takes Zoe 60 minutes to wash one car. So it takes her 60 minutes to wash one car. We're also told that if Brooke was to wash a car by herself, it would take her 45 minutes to wash one car. Now, like the last problem, you can solve this using fractions, but I'm going to show you a slightly different way using rates. Okay, so what we need to do first is we need to work out the lowest common multiple of 60 and 45. So that's the first step. What I'll get you to do is just pause the video, and I need you to find the lowest common multiple of 60 and 45. When you've got that, press play and we'll move on to the next step. So the lowest common multiple of 60 and 45 is 180. Okay, so the lowest common multiple of 60 and 45 is 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to multiply 60, okay, by a number to get it to 180, and I'm going to multiply 45 by a number to get it to 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down here. So for Zoe, I'm going to multiply 60 by 3. Okay, I'm going to multiply 60 by 3 in order to get it to 180. So 180, okay, if she works for 180 minutes, how many cars will she be able to wash? She's going to be able to wash 3 cars, okay? So what we've done here is we've worked out how long it would take Zoe to wash 3 cars. So if she was working for 180 minutes or 3 hours, it would take her that amount of time to wash 3 cars. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work out for Brooke, if she was to work for 180 minutes or 3 hours, how many cars would she be able to wash? Now, we know that 45, okay, is multiplied by a number to give us 180. It's multiplied by 4. So if we multiply 45 by 4, we get 180. So in 180 minutes or 3 hours, Brooke is going to be able to wash 4 cars. So now we know that if Zoe was working for 3 hours, she'd be able to wash 3 cars. If Brooke was working for 3 hours, she could wash 4 cars. How many cars would they be able to wash in total if they both work for the same amount of time? So if they work together, all we need to do here is we need to add the 3 and the 4 together, and we know 3 plus 4 is 7. So they would be able to wash 7 cars in the 180 minutes if they work together. Okay, so if they work together. Now that's not our final solution. We don't want to know if they work together how long it would take them to wash 7 cars. We want to know how long it would take to wash 1 car. Okay, so to finish off this particular problem, we need to work out how long it's going to take Zoe and Brooke to wash 1 car. Now we know that it's going to take 180 minutes for 7 cars, so what we need to do is we need to actually divide 180 by 7 in order to work out how long it will take them to wash 1 car. So let's set up our division. How many times does 7 go into 180? So 7 does not go into 1, but it does go into 18. So 7 goes into 18 twice, okay, with 4 remaining. Now, how many times does 7 go into 40? It goes in 5 times with 5 remaining. Now, this is going to become a decimal, a number that has a decimal point and values after the decimal place. So we now need to work out 7 goes into 40 5 times with 5 remaining. So how many times does 7 go into 50? 7 goes into 50 7 times with 1 remaining. Now, how many times does 7 go into 10? It goes in once, okay, with 3 remaining. Now, we're going to stop there because this is one of those numbers where the decimal values go on for quite a while. So we're going to stop at our 2 decimal places and we're going to leave our answer like that. So for Zoe and Brooke, if they were working together, okay, it would take them 25.71 minutes to wash 1 car. Now, 25.71, that's not a very nice way to put our time. So if we were to work out how many seconds, okay, it would take them, so 25 minutes and how many seconds. If you want to pause the video, there's an added challenge for you there, and see if you can come up with how many seconds it's going to be. Right, so if we multiply 0.71 by 60, that's how we work out how many seconds there are out of the minute. So 0.71 multiplied by 60 is 42.6, okay? So it would take Brooke and Zoe 25 minutes and 42.6 seconds to wash 1 car. Let us know how you've gone with that one.